Hello friends, so it has been a long time since I had made a video and I'm really sorry for that. So from now on I promise that I'll be releasing videos about electronics like almost every single week. So today's topic is control systems. We'll be starting with the very basics of control system and slowly we'll be moving on to the harder problems. So what is a control system? So the control system, as we can see, is made up of two words. One is the control and the other is system, right? So we all know what a system is. A system is an electrical, mechanical, or whatever type of plant that is under operation, or it is a thing that we are about to study. And now, what is control? Everybody knows that control is to modify or alter or to change the way the system is working. So, like giving you a simple example, suppose a basic system is an air conditioner. We have an AC. The temperature outside, is 30 degrees Celsius. We desire a temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. So there is a difference between what we are getting and what we are desiring. So this difference is called an error. So the AC machine would work so that it can reduce this error. So it will cool the temperature, and slowly the temperature will come down to suppose a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. The AC that was working at 30 degrees Celsius, the compressor was working like very powerfully at that time. When it has reached 25 degrees Celsius, almost near to a 23 degrees Celsius, the compressor would not work as much as it was working at the 30 degrees Celsius, because the difference between the desired and the actual value is almost equal to zero at that point of time. So this is what a control system is, that it studies the difference between what we are getting and what we are desiring, and thus it calculates an error between the two, and it makes the system works according to the difference or according to the error. So giving you a funny example to this, we may say that suppose you are desiring that you will get a 9.5 points. You get suppose 9 points. You are happy. You are not sad. So this happiness or the expression that we are getting, that will modify the way that you study for the next semester. Suppose you get an 8 point. You will be really thoughtful that what has happened? Why didn't I get a good marks? So I need to study a bit more. If you get a 5 points, you will be extremely sad, and you'll have to study more for the next semester. So the output that you are getting now, a part of it is reflected for the next input. That is what you'll give for the next semester, or what you'll give for the next input is a function of the present output. So that is what a control system is. That a control system is that a system which can be controlled by the present output. Okay, so there are two types of system. One is an open loop system, and one is a closed loop system. Right. So what is an open loop system? An open loop system is a system that absolutely has no feedback from the output. That is what we told out right here is a closed loop system. That is, it is taking an output, a feedback from the output, and giving it to the input. But when nothing like that sort happens, it is called an open loop system. Giving you an example, suppose you have a dishwasher. You give one dish to it, the dishwasher works for 20 minutes and cleans the dish. You give 20 dishes to it, it works for 20 minutes and still cleans the dishes. So the input that you are giving, it has nothing to do with the time the dishwasher is taking. So that is called an open loop system, because you cannot you cannot control the way the system is working. That is, the output of the system is absolutely not controlled by any feedback. But whereas in case of a closed loop system, as I talked in case of an AC, or in case of this example that I gave for your results, so that is a closed loop system. So in this lesson we learned about what an open loop system and what a closed loop system is. In my next video we'll be talking about the relation between an open loop and a closed loop system in details. A bit of technicality will be involved in it. In this video it was just a basic introduction of what a control system is and why we need a control system. So meet you in the next video. Thank you.